In 2014, on the 9th of February, we had a fire come through. It was an extreme fire danger day.
Good evening. Victoria's bushfire crisis continues tonight with several emergency warnings in place for blazes burning across the state.
I was expecting to go to a fire, but not our own fire, not here. This area's never been known to have big fires, but things change. Drove the fire truck for 16 hours. James, our oldest son, who was in the ute with a CFA radio, he's calling back to me saying that our hay shed's going up and all that, and I said, don't worry about it. I said, just make sure everybody's safe and livestock safe.
My wife and I, we had a 3-week-old child at the time of the fire, and the fire burnt basically to the weatherboards of the house we were living in.
We had 2,500 acres burn out, lost 40 kilometres of fencing, heap of hay, sheds, and it was just a bust of a day, that's all. Yeah, we lost more than I ever thought we would. So I wasn't worrying me the day, but as the day went on and weeks went on, months went on, it just got worse and worse. We've only just after 2 years just started to catch up.
Losing the fences changed our ability to run livestock. On one side we don't have the livestock now, but in the other side we're a more efficient operation with the grains production. We went from 70 hectare was our biggest paddock to 270, nearly 300 hectares now.
We'd done a fair bit of fencing before the fires come, and last bit of fencing we bought all girl star posts and long life wire, ring lock and all that, started putting sheep fences up. But we used pine strainers and stays, and all we've got left is fences and no strainers and stays. Where the fences where we use girl star post, long life wire, it's still there. So we could have kept cattle on or sheep or something if the fences were all built like that. So.
With the investment in technology and with the investment in fencing, like most of our investments, I'm planning to be here in 30 years' time, and hopefully my kids follow on from there, and everything needs to be planned for the long term, and the Waratah product's part of that, and so are a lot of other investments we make at the minute. Every investment we make is about efficiency and making sure we are prosperous in the long run, and fencing will be an integral part of that for sure. So as we diversify again and hopefully move back into livestock, that's part of remaining diverse and here for the long run as well.